Welcome to another amazing tech tutorial on our channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the world of digital currency management by showing you how to download TrustWallet on your PC desktop. First things first, go to your browser and search for BlueStacks' official website. Click on the first link that appears, and you'll be directed to BlueStacks' homepage. From there, click on the Download BlueStacks button. As the download begins, you'll be prompted to choose a location on your laptop where you want to save and install BlueStacks. Select your preferred location and click on Save. Allow the download to complete. You're required to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. If you already have one, simply sign in using your email address and password. Now let's get started on how to download TrustWallet on your PC desktop. Next, you'll need to search for TrustWallet on the emulator's search bar, and you'll see the app pop up on the screen. Click on the Install button, and you're good to go. After the installation process is complete, launch the app and start experiencing the power of TrustWallet on your PC desktop. TrustWallet is a leading crypto wallet that offers users safe and secure storage of digital currencies at low transaction costs. Click on Create a new wallet and allow the prompts to complete the download process. The download process shouldn't take more than a few minutes. If you have any questions or comments about TrustWallet, be sure to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.